everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. I got a box in the mail here. And we have here something I can use, hopefully in the yard. Processing firewood. A Cobb rechargeable camping light. My experience is that the Cobb lights are pretty good. Let's see what this thing looks like. Hopefully it'll be strong enough. Oh, it's USB rechargeable. Comes with a cable. Hopefully it'll be strong enough to help me process some firewood out there. Big LED element on there. Oh, double-sided. I did not know that. Wow. Okay, we've got here a power button, and here we've got a rubber covered USB input and output port. How cool is that? So it's not only a light, but it's a portable power bank. It's got 4 LED status of charge indicators. I'm not sure if I can look at that with the light on. Let me turn this on. So there's multiple modes here. There's high, medium, low, red strobe, and it says 8S programmable power memory. Not sure what that means. So let's turn this on. And that is bright. We've got here 2 handles to hold it up with. Let me see if I can get that out. Oh, it's a hook. Let me turn that off. So there's 2 hooks. That's unique. Weird. Alright, I'll come back to that. So, there's looks like high. And I can't look at it. It is crazy. Crazy bright. I can't look at it. It is really bright. Let me see. On. There's medium. There's low. Red flashing. And off. Now, the LED status, I'm going to have to cover that to see the status. Alright, there we got 3 out of floor blue LED bars. So press once the power button here, and you got high. Press it again, you got your medium. Press it again, you got your low. Press it again for red, which is pretty cool actually. And then you got your red flashing, which is great for roadside emergencies. Very good. And then again is off. This is a very weird and unique handle system. There's a hook. There's 2 hooks. So, very unusual type of a handle. 2 different hooks there. Never seen anything like that. And they're both fold flat. Well, this light has helped me a lot working on firewood at 6:30 in the morning, and I can see very well to work on my firewood. That's high actually. I don't need high. I only left it on high just for a demonstration. Find a button in here in the cold. There's medium and low. Actually, I can use this on low and see everything I need to see working here. It's not as super bright, but it gives me enough. Actually, I think I like medium. Just playing around with brightness settings. I think medium is the perfect setting for me. Yeah. So I can extend my working hours out here tremendously because it doesn't get light until 7:30, 8 o'clock. Now I can't run machines out here at this hour because I don't want to annoy the neighbors. But I like to come out and stack firewood in the morning. Yeah, it's really cold out, and it gives me a warm up to start my day. I get to do something out here. So this thing is bright. It's really, I mean, look at it. I've got a bad storm coming. I gotta get this wood in before the storm sets in. And without this light, I'd have had to wait a couple hours. So it makes a big difference in my preparations for a coming blizzard. This stuff has to be covered up. I hung the lamp up on a hook. It's at an awkward angle, but that gives an idea. And it lights up the place like a normal light. You can see my little office area over there next to my chair. There's a dark shadow only because of this light, but it's as good as any light in this room. That's on high though. If I dimmed it down, of course, it would be a little dimmer. It'd be good for power outages. Now, we're solar anyway, but that'll save us energy here. Over here at my desk, it'd be bright enough to do a video by. This is a flashlight I'm reviewing. I can read the paper clearly. For even more off-grid, as off-grid as you can get, I'm charging this with an EC folding solar panel. And even though it's mostly cloudy, the snow really amplifies the sun nicely, and I am charging. You can see the status going up. When it's all the way up to 4, it'll stop charging, and you're good to go. That doesn't get much more off-grid than that, does it? They say this is waterproof. Now, it does have rubber covers everywhere and all rubber everything everywhere. I would say water resistance, but I didn't see any specs online or anything. But I would assume it's got to be able to hold up to some normal rain. Although in winter here, I couldn't try that out. This has a whopping 3,000 lumens output, which is really impressive. And a 4,400 milliamp hour power bank inside, so you can charge your cell phone or other devices. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand with this, which is a neat little added benefit. So as I did, I went out with a solar panel and I charge it with solar. Then I can use this anywhere to power and charge my other devices, which is sort of cool, little bonus. So I'm going to put the links down below in the comments and the descriptions. I am very impressed with this, and I've been using it everywhere I go. There's just endless uses. Working on a vehicle, working on firewood, feeding the wood stove if you have an outdoor wood stove, lighting up a room after a power outage. Really good light. So check it out, guys. Please do like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. You never know what's coming tomorrow to the homestead. Talk to you later.